All right, so I'm heading out to the Arctic in less than a week. And one of the things we always go over in these types of videos is, what are we bringing in and what do we have? So here's, I've got most of my gear laid out here. I think I got some stuff sitting around in that chaos. But let's give you a look here at what we got. Starting with the amazing Vanguard bag. It's upside down there, but this is the Alta Rise 48. And that's what I'll be bringing to the Arctic with me. I'm debating whether I want to bring just that little Amazon Basics one. Same with the tripods. I've got three or four different Vanguard tripods. So I'm thinking I'm going to bring this one because it's got the same as this guy. It's got the center bar that you can just put up and run it both ways, and you can get a camera on one side and another camera on the other side. But this is the what is this? The 263 CB160S, I think, carbon fiber, where that is the travel one. This guy here, it's a little bit lighter, still carbon fiber. But yeah, so here's the table. Got my Nisi Black Mist. I don't know if I'm going to bring them or not. I'm definitely bringing the night filter. I'll be bringing my Nisi V7 professional filter kit. I'm debating on bringing this guy because it's quite heavy, but the DJI Mic 2, that's what we're wearing right here, and it's pretty cool. It's got great sound. If I can get it open, I can actually mic up another person with it as well. Anyhow, a couple of waterproof bags that I can use. I've got the R7 cage with the small rig handles. I've also got the phone small rig cage as well. Got the Neewer 4K screen. Lots of small rig stuff here just for holding. I'm going to bring this one just specifically. This is a portable SSD by SanDisk Extreme. That's going to be the one for the trip. Got my small rig light. This guy is pretty awesome, man. It's inexpensive. Let's see if I can get her on there. Like, look at that. It's cool. You can turn her down, reef it up, or you can also go to your yellow tone and go all the way up to your almost daylight tones. So that's probably going to go with me. Just another little card here. I'm going to give this guy a try out. It's the anti-fog belt. I've got the lavalier for the DJI new iCup. That's the DJI Action pole and the Action 4 and a Terra. She is not coming with me.
This stuff that's not.
Yeah. I haven't even tried this guy out yet. The Sennheiser. This is a shotgun mic. Got a couple of Rode mics. Right now we've got the T5i, the 90D, the R7. This week I'm picking up the R5 MK2. A couple of extra lenses, the 1.4 extender for the RF. My awesome Lenscoat ground pod that Lenscoat just sent me to collaborate together. And obviously I've got the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. This is the monocular for Vanguard. You can also hook that up to your phone and take pictures with your phone attached to it. Where did that other guy go? He's around here somewhere. Oh, there he is. The Siriu gimbal. It's the PH10. I'm going to bring that instead of the Neewer. This guy is, I think it's alloy, but it is heavy. So I got the lighter carbon fiber option. So yeah, that's kind of the gear that I'm choosing from to bring with me. And I'm also picking up RF 800 F11. I like it. I know the 200 to 800 is a little bit probably better option, but I don't want to spend 2,600 when I've already got the 1 to 500. So 800 f11 will be good. I tried it out in some cloudy day, gray skies, and it was great, especially if you've got it on a tripod and shooting, whether it's polar bears, ptarmigans, wolves, foxes, all that kind of stuff. It'll be good enough, I think. And then I've also got the 1 to 500 with the 1.4 extender, so I can use that as well. And what I was getting into when Tara walked the fog belt, I'm interested on that because one of the problems that I have, that we as photographers have quite often when you're going hot to cold or even just cold weather, especially in the shoulder seasons, condensation and fogging up of the camera. So I'm interested. It was like $26, wasn't that much. I'm interested to see how that goes. And yeah, this is one of the things that this is the welcome package for Churchill Northern Science Center or Study Center. So I'm excited for that. I'm still not in that stage of elation yet because, well, as you can see, we are dealing with, along with calendar season, and done a couple of videos, but calendar season, card season, vendor shows. Just did the fall fair for the first time. Trying to get the house renovated. Thanksgiving. It's been a lot of, so I haven't really had time to actually sit down and think about the fact that I am going to the Arctic. Well, to be fair, we've called it the Arctic Expedition. For any of the naysayers out there, it's technically the subarctic. Churchill and the area surrounding it are all subarctic. It's right at that edge of the boreal forest and the tundra. But it's close enough. So Arctic Expedition it is. And I'll be meeting with a lot of folks up there. I'm hoping to do an interview and a connect with Polar Bears International. They have an office up there, so that's going to be cool. I'm hoping to meet the folks over at Churchill Wild and Discover Churchill. A couple of great organizations that I was looking into in going, but the right fit this time around just was happened to be the Churchill Northern Science Center. And I really love the idea of an education vacation, so to speak. And what I'm doing is slightly different because they've got a couple of tours that you can do. Lords of the North, I think is what it's called. But I'm there for like 2 or 3 of those. I think there's 6-day tours that they offer. But like every night we'll have a lecture, and then we go out on the buggies. I think I'll be on the buggies at least 2, if not 3 times. We'll be going to see the crash plane that's famous in Churchill. We'll be going to Churchill proper and touring around there as well. What else are we doing? Dog sledding. We're going to go dog sledding. What's the other one? The missile range. I forget what it's called. It's green something, but the Americans had the missile launch area up there. So lots of really cool places that I'll get to see. And what I'm most excited for, as I've said quite a few times, is just the culture up there, the Indigenous community, the science, the research at CNSC, and all of those things. So it is exciting. I think it's going to hit me probably on Friday, Saturday morning, as I'm on my way. But yeah, so this is it, guys. This is the gear that'll be kind of. I'm not bringing it all, but a lot of the major stuff I'll be taking with me. And yeah, this is what's going to capture the film that I'm hoping to work with Frameworks Media to do some sort of a short film documentary, if I have enough good quality captures for video. It's where all the images are going to come from. It's where all the recording. I'm hoping to record sounds of different animals. It's where it's all going to come from. There's some other pieces that are kicking around too, but that's the majority of it. So stay tuned. I have lots more coming, and I can't say thank you to you guys enough. I really, 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 really am from the bottom of my heart grateful and thankful for everybody that's kind of put their support and encouragement behind this passion of mine in such a crazy year where mental health has been a struggle. Our house has been a struggle. Even physical ailments, all that kind of stuff. It's just been a crazy year, and it's nice to have some of these good moments, some of these good things to kind of hold on to. So, yeah, I hope it's interesting. I'll continue to get better, not say so many times. It's going to be fun. Stay tuned.